We started making things in Japan over 100 years ago. As the times have changed, we've been working on our technology, building the best into our washing machines. And we keep asking ourselves one question. What is true quality for our customers? Our answer: products that work just right for people everywhere in this world. So we keep testing for toughness in hot and humid conditions, in cold conditions, to see if our washing machines handle water quality and pressure changes, if they keep working with various kinds of detergent and garments, getting everything really clean without damage. We keep asking ourselves how we can make things even more precisely, even more thoughtfully. We never compromise, even on the smallest differences. We consider the product's journey all the way to your home, delivering quality beyond your expectations and caring for the customer. Passing on a century of experience in quality to the future. Panasonic is there for you. A lifelong partner. Japan quality.